After J, we are going to start with the letter P, starting with slant line, coming down as back slant, just like J, or you can say just like the previous letter. Going up again on the same line, then taking a curve, completing the inverted C curve and pulling out a tail. Why do we pull out a tail? So that you can connect it to the next letter. And when you pull out the tail, see to it that you're not going too far, you're not creating a big distance between this, otherwise the letters would be apart.
In comments whether you found the video useful enough, and if you like the explanation, do let us know what more topics are you looking for so that we can deliver it to you.
Writing P in straight form, cursive but in the straight manner, they can come down a straight line and not as a back slant, go up on the same line and make a curve or inverted C. Again, here one mistake most of us do is, many times when you're making an inverted C, people make a very fatter loop. So avoid this mistake also. It gives an disproportionate size between the alphabets. Okay, if one of the loop is bigger and the others are smaller, it doesn't give a very good look. So this is one care you have to take, and the second one is about the connecting line. Once you have made a perfect P, you're going to make 4 again of the same time. Once you have been able to achieve all 4 which are looking identical, you're done with this letter and you can switch on to the next one. One more thing is, most of these students also make the P in this manner. So even this is permissible, wherein you're making a loop just like N and then you're connecting with the next letter. Even this is permissible, but what we train on most of the students is this form. So stick to your choice.
That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!